Let me debunk one of entrepreneurship's most persistent myths right now. You do not need significant money to start a business. This simply isn't true. I've identified 5 proven business opportunities you can launch with $0. All you need is the right mindset and genuine hustle. Make no mistake, these aren't effortless pathways to wealth. They require dedication and persistence. But here's what matters. They genuinely work when you commit to them. Before you begin this journey, however, protect yourself by consulting with a local attorney who can clarify the specific regulations governing your business idea. Your success depends on both your effort and operating within proper legal boundaries. Starting an online business with no money might sound impossible, but what if I told you that some of today's most successful marketers started with nothing but grit, creativity, and a smartphone? The truth is, the digital age has changed the rules of business forever. All it takes is a vision, consistency, and smart strategies to turn $0 into a thriving online career. Business idea number 1, online marketer. Let's kick things off with a couple of real-life inspirations. Look at Alex Becker's journey. His transformation proves anyone can achieve extraordinary success from humble beginnings. Once trapped in financial struggle with an unremarkable job, he strategically leveraged free online platforms to change everything. By methodically creating targeted content, building valuable email lists, and mastering affiliate marketing without capital investment, he demonstrated the power of consistent action. His journey from broke employee to tech company founder and marketing authority isn't just inspiring, it's a blueprint you can follow with the right persistence. The question isn't whether this approach works. Alex's empire stands as undeniable proof that it does. Then there's Vanessa Lau, a social media strategist who went from a struggling job she hated to dominating YouTube and leveraging Instagram to teach others how to grow their brand. Initially, Vanessa started creating free content while teaching others based on her own expertise. She didn't have money to invest, so she focused solely on building a valuable following, organically providing information and helping people solve real problems. Fast forward a few years, and she now runs a 6-figure online coaching business. These stories show it's not about what you start with, it's about how you start. And if they can do it, so can you. So, let's break it down into steps. Step 1. Pick a niche. You're passionate about zero money doesn't mean zero skills. Start by figuring out your thing. What's your expertise? What's your passion? Think health and fitness, beauty, finance, relationships, career advice. It could be anything. Successful online marketers pick niches they care deeply about because a genuine connection with your audience is crucial. Choose something you're excited to learn about and talk about daily, even if you don't have every answer yet. Step 2. Leverage free platforms and tools. Here's the beauty of the online world. There are countless free tools at your disposal. Social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, these are all your launchpad. Pick one platform to focus on first, preferably where your target audience hangs out. For instance, Gen Z loves TikTok, while millennials might prefer Instagram. Open an account, brand it, and start posting. Free content reigns supreme in the beginning. Step 3. Start with content marketing. Content is king. You don't have fancy cameras? Fine. Just pick up your phone. You don't have design skills? Use free tools like Canva. Your content doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be helpful. Whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspirational, focus on solving real problems for potential customers. Are people struggling to lose weight? Give them free tips. Are people looking for affordable home decor ideas? Offer creative solutions. Whatever your niche is, give value, lots of it for free. Step 4. Affiliate marketing is your best friend. Did you know you can earn commissions by promoting other companies' products? This is called affiliate marketing, and it's perfect for first-time marketers who have no inventory of their own. Join free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Simply recommend products through blog posts, videos, or social posts. When someone clicks and buys through your link, you earn cash. You don't pay a cent to get started. Step 5. Engage with your audience. Social media success is about building relationships. Reply to comments, answer questions, and interact with your followers. Your audience needs to feel like they're connecting with someone truly invested in their lives. Engagement doesn't cost anything, but it builds trust, and trust is what converts followers into buyers. Step 6. Build an email list. Once your audience starts growing, it's time to capture their emails. Email marketing is one of the most consistent ways to drive business long-term. Use free tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to start building your email list. Offer something valuable in exchange for their email, like a free ebook or a printable guide related to your niche. Later, you can use that email list to promote affiliate products or even your own online courses. Step 7. Experiment with low-cost digital products. You don't need thousands of dollars to create your own product. Low-cost digital products, like ebooks, printable, checklists, or online courses, can be made using free or inexpensive software. Once you gather insights from your audience and understand what they struggle with, you can craft and sell products that solve their exact problems. Platforms like Gumroad or Teachable allow you to sell without upfront costs. Step 8. Scale with free collaborations. You might think collaborations require big budgets, but in reality, you can partner with other creators, all for free. Offer to feature their content and work in exchange for cross-promotion. Guest blog posts, podcast interviews, or even Instagram live sessions can introduce you to a whole new audience for zero cost. Step 9. Master SEO for visibility. Even without money, stunning content won't matter if no one sees it. That's where SEO, search engine optimization, comes in. Learn basic SEO for your blogs, YouTube videos, and social media posts. Use free keyword tools like Ubersuggest to figure out what people are searching for. If your content aligns with trending search terms, you'll appear in searches and attract new audiences. Step 10. Consistency wins over talent. Let's be real. Online success doesn't happen overnight. Starting with no money means you have to compensate with dedication and consistency. Create a schedule, stick to it, and prioritize delivering value every single day. The work you put in today pays off weeks, months, and even years down the line. Business idea number 2. Print on demand. T-shirt business. Fortunately, Canva is a fantastic tool for this, and it's completely free. Head to Canva.com and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're in, search for custom t-shirt templates to get started. Canva provides tons of professional-looking designs that you can tweak to fit your style or niche. But don't limit yourself. Get creative. You could focus on motivational quotes, minimalist graphics, funny slogans, or even cute illustrations. When creating your design, keep it simple yet bold. People love designs that pop and are easy to read from a distance. And here's a tip. Make sure you're using high-resolution images with transparent backgrounds. Canva's free plan allows you to design these elements, but if transparency is locked for you, use a free background remover tool online. It's just one extra step. Once your design is ready, it's time for step 2, uploading to Redbubble. If you don't already know, Redbubble is a marketplace for independent artists, offering everything from t-shirts to stickers to tote bags. Sign up for a free seller account. It's super quick. When you're in, upload your design and select the products you want it featured on. Redbubble lets you customize how your designs appear on various items, so be sure to adjust placements and sizes for the best look. Spend a little extra time tweaking because presentation is key when customers browse your shop. Next up, tagging and descriptions. These are critical for getting found in searches. Think about your target audience. What are they typing into Google? Is it funny gym t-shirts or retro aesthetic merch? Add those terms to your title, description, and tags, but don't overdo it. Keep it natural and focused. The better your SEO, the more chances of people discovering your shop. And that's it. You now have a full-fledged t-shirt business online without spending a single dime. But remember, success takes consistency. Share your designs on social media to draw attention, engage with communities that match your niche, and experiment with trends to refresh your offerings. Over time, you can expand your shop, add more designs, and even branch out to other platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Business idea number 3, local gig work. If you have access to basic tools like a rake, a leaf blower, or even a lawnmower, which many people already have at home, you're ready to go. Don't have these? No problem. Ask family or friends if you can borrow theirs until you save enough to invest in your own equipment. Start by targeting your neighbors. Knock on their doors or leave handwritten flyers in their mailboxes offering services like mowing lawns, pulling weeds, trimming bushes, or cleaning up yards. Charge fair rates, and as your reputation grows, ask happy customers for referrals. You'd be amazed how fast word of mouth spreads in neighborhoods. Bonus tip: offer seasonal services, like raking leaves in the fall or shoveling driveways in the winter, to keep the income steady year round. Finally, let's talk tutoring. If you're skilled in math, reading, or even playing an instrument, you've got what it takes to help kids excel. Advertise simple services, like math help or reading comprehension, for free using online platforms like Craigslist or Nextdoor, or ask your local library if you can post a flyer. You can tutor at students' homes and public spaces like libraries, or even virtually using free tools like Zoom. Parents are always willing to invest in their children's education, and once they see results, they'll continue hiring you. Depending on your expertise, you can even charge premium rates. The key to all three of these services is to start small and focus on building trust with your first clients. Reinvent how you see work. It doesn't have to involve big investments or flashy advertising. What matters most is your willingness to jump in, hustle, and grow as you go. So what are you waiting for? Your business starts now, right where you are. Business idea number 4. Sell things you buy for free. Transform free finds into pure profit. It's the ultimate business model with zero investment. Don't dismiss this opportunity. It's far easier than you imagine. Every day, valuable TVs and furniture sit on curbs because their owners prefer convenience over reselling hassle. While others see garbage, you should see untapped potential. By recognizing what others overlook, you'll discover literal gold mines of opportunity right in your neighborhood. Start today and turn these discarded valuables into your financial advantage. Tried and true areas for things like this are also online marketplaces like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and FreeCycle. People are often eager to get rid of items quickly, especially when they're large and cumbersome, like couches, dressers, or tables. Search under free stuff, and you might be surprised at just how much is available in your area, sometimes just needing a quick pickup. Next is college move-out days. Visit college campuses during move-out season to collect discarded furniture and lamps that students abandon. Check local ordinances first, but curbside items are typically considered abandoned property anyone can take. Once profitable, reinvest by purchasing items at garage sales to resell online for greater returns. Another excellent option is nonprofit organizations. Habitat for Humanity's restores and local charities sometimes offer furniture they've received as donations. While most pieces are sold at very low prices to fund charitable work, they occasionally give away items for free, especially when they receive surplus donations or items with minor flaws. Volunteering with these organizations can also give you an inside track on available inventory. It's a win-win. Business idea number 5, event planning. You can literally start an event planning business with zero. You can start by building an online presence on different social media platforms after defining your brand. Branding is free. Brainstorm a catchy name, create a mission statement, and choose a personality for your business. Are you aiming for fun and colorful, or maybe sleek and professional? You won't need software or paid tools, just some creativity and time. Post consistently, share photos from events you coordinate, we'll get to that soon, and engage with local communities. For a website, you can start with free site builders like Wix or WordPress. A simple one-page site listing your services and contact info will do wonders for your credibility. You don't need anything fancy, just something functional. Now comes the fun part, building experience. But wait, you're probably wondering, how do I build events with no money and no bookings? Easy. Start by volunteering your services for free. Yep, this is the foundation step. Offer to plan events for friends or family, or even reach out to local nonprofits like community centers or churches who might need help organizing fundraisers or small gatherings. Make it clear you're just starting out, but emphasize your enthusiasm and willingness to learn. These experiences will help you build that portfolio without financial pressure, and they'll also serve as practice to sharpen your planning skills. While working on these projects, document everything: videos, pictures, Testimonials. Your phone camera is all you need. These will later become your marketing material. Showcase your organizational skills, creativity, and ability to make events memorable. Potential clients love to see what you've done. Proof of your work builds trust. Networking is your next step. Introduce yourself to vendors who could become partners. Caterers, DJs, photographers, florists. What's the key here? Build relationships. Some of these vendors may even be willing to pass referrals your way if they don't handle planning themselves. Plus, staying connected in your local community often leads to word-of-mouth recommendations. And the best part? Networking costs nothing but time and effort. Finally, once you start gaining traction, begin defining clear pricing for your services. Start small but fair. You can offer tiered packages to cater to different budgets, which is another way to make yourself appealing to clients who don't want to break the bank. Thanks for watching. Until next time.